Hello my family and friends. Today I'm going to cook something very easy for you to follow. So follow me in the kitchen. My family and friends, before I'm gonna show you what I cook for dinner, please don't forget to subscribe over here. To those who didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe and don't forget to like and comment over here. And next is I'm gonna show you my video. Hello my family and friends. This is what I'm cooking for dinner tonight. Okay, it's pork chop. So the ingredients are pork chop, garlic salt, seasoned salt, and black pepper. So very easy. So you just have to open everything so it will not get dirty when you're touching the pork chop and then holding this. So my other hand, I washed the pork chop good already. Sprinkle a little bit of this. Sprinkle a little bit of the seasoned salt. There you go. Now put some little bit of black pepper, if you like black pepper. And then the other side. This. There we go. And we're gonna put this in the air fryer. Okay, so have that one. And then since this is so turn it on, put it to 390 degrees and say 15 minutes. There we go. Just like that. And then let's say after 5 minutes, turn it the other side. Make sure both sides are brown. Here you go guys, it's nice and brown. Now I'm gonna turn the other side.